Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming basics. iOS is updated, and you know your device passcode. This prevents setup interruptions. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control. Once you tap Setup Voice Control, the phone downloads any necessary language files and turns listening on. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked while files install, because the system needs permissions to record voice models. This step matters. It trains local recognition and prepares the option to create a separate voice control passcode. Now you create the actual passcode. In voice control settings, tap Create Passcode or Passcode options and choose a numeric length that you can remember. Enter the digits once, then confirm by re-entering them. This ensures you didn't mistype. Once done, enable the Require Passcode switch so any future changes to voice control or disabling the feature demand that code. This prevents others from changing voice command access, and it separates voice control protection from Face ID or Touch ID behavior. Finish by testing. Say a few commands with the screen locked and then unlock to confirm the passcode requirement is enforced. If your new passcode is not accepted, restart your iPhone and try again because temporary glitches can block authentication. Make sure iOS is current, updates fix passcode bugs. If problems persist, toggle voice control off and on to rebuild settings, or remove the voice control passcode from the same menu using your device passcode. This resets the protection and lets you set a new code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.